All right, guys, so we're gonna look at 3 large projects that could reshape the entire future of southern Massachusetts. These are huge, large-scale infrastructure, needle-moving type of projects that can reshape the future of southern Massachusetts. These aren't small projects, these are transformative type projects, and whether you live here or just commute in this area, they will definitely make a difference on your life, so stay tuned. Number 1 is the T expansion, or the South Coast Commuter Rail project in southern Massachusetts. Phase 1 of the South Coast Commuter Rail project is already complete, and what that was connecting Taunton, New Bedford, and Fall River to the T up to the South Station in Boston. That project was an estimated $1.1 billion to complete, and it just got opened up in March of 2025 of this year. Part of this project's purpose is to obviously alleviate traffic and to connect much of southern Massachusetts to Boston, to help, if you work in Boston, to help you get a job opportunity in Boston. And like I said, Boston is one of the worst traffic areas in the country, so it's an effort to try to alleviate that traffic. Now, the T expansion does have a phase 2, and currently that phase is on pause. And the reason for it is because there's a lack of funding for it at the moment. And the towns that are supposed to be in that phase 2 expansion of the T are Easton, Rainham, a downtown spot in Taunton, and Stoughton. So again, a project like that can alleviate a ton of traffic moving up towards Boston, create a ton more job opportunities, and whenever you obviously expand the T and put in a new station, it creates all these MBTA opportunity zones where developers can come in, develop, build a whole bunch of new commercial retail development. So it'll be fun to see kind of this southern Massachusetts, more rural type of area transform once that project hopefully gets underway. In phase 2 of this project, the reason it's delayed is because it's the much more expensive and larger expansion of the South Shore Commuter Rail. That project is estimated to be about $3 billion. So we'll see if it can get back on track here shortly. The second largest project is another infrastructure project. It is an energy project. It's called the South Shore Wind Project, which is located off the shore of Massachusetts. And what it is obviously wind energy, wind turbines being built out off the shores of Massachusetts and Rhode Island. There have been already some wind projects that have been built and gone out over there, and there's some currently under construction, but this expansion is supposed to be the largest. It's expected to generate up to 2.4 gigawatts of power for Massachusetts and Rhode Island. It's expected to help power up to 1 million homes across Massachusetts and Rhode Island. The total project cost is an estimated $5 billion. Right, so it's an enormous project. If you've ever seen these wind turbines, they have to bring these power cables into these power stations off the shores of Massachusetts and Rhode Island, where they'll pump that energy into our grid. And this is obviously part of our state's goal of being net zero carbon emissions, but also what it will do is help support our grid, and create tons of construction and new jobs during that process as well. This project, of course, as well, is also halted at the moment, currently going through legal challenges, funding challenges, so we'll see if it gets back on track in the near future. They expected it to be completed initially by 2030, but that already is looking like it might push back a little further. And the third huge project that southern Massachusetts is going to be undertaking is another infrastructure type project, multi-billion. It's a civil project. It is the Sagamore Bridge and the Bourne Bridge replacements, right? So both of these bridges are going to be well over $2 billion to replace. The first one that's going to be replaced is the Sagamore Bridge. Funding has already been secured for both of these. So the Sagamore Bridge is already in the design phase, and they're expected to kick off the construction for that in 2027 or 2028. And the initial estimates for completion are in the early 2030s, but we'll see how that goes. And obviously, if you know what the Sagamore Bridge is, it connects mainland Massachusetts to the Cape. And if you've ever driven to the Cape from southern Massachusetts during the summer months, you know that traffic is absolutely horrendous as well. So both this Sagamore Bridge and the Bourne Bridge are going to help try to transform and alleviate a ton of that traffic going there as well. So that's it on the 3 largest projects. Let me know if I missed any, or let me know what you think of these projects. If there's any I should add in, what your thoughts and opinions are on these 3 projects. As you can see, with most things, they get caught up, they take forever, they experience delays. But hopefully, at least some of these start to get going and finish soon. If you or anyone you know is looking to buy or sell in the local area, my name is Sagamore. I'm a local realtor here in Southern Massachusetts. Feel free to reach out to me. My contact details below. I'll see you guys on the next video.